This is also one tune which instantly we locked first. I wanted Shikayatein. So I put it on paper. When you want, you come close. When you want, you go far. Isha ji said, but how to bring it all? Put a generalized mukhda. I said, no, it has to be a duet also. So actually it's a talking song where we tried to put all the possible ways into how a woman would feel.
जब तुम चाहो पास आते हो, जब तुम चाहो दूर जाते हो,
लड़की रूठी हुई है बुरी तरह से और वो मनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
जब तुम चाहो पास आते
ये छोटी छोटी शिकायतें कहीं ना कहीं मोहब्बत की बुनियाद भी होती है।
हो, चलती हमेशा मर्जी तुम्हारी, कहते हो फिर भी प्यार करते हो।
माना मैंने गलतियां की, थोड़ी थोड़ी सख्तियां की, इश्क में थोड़ी सी मस्तियां की।
नॉटी सा गाना है, इसमें रूठना मनाना और ये सब चल रहा है इस गाने में, और फीमेल मेल में इट्स लाइक एन इंटरेक्शन।
This is Suraj ji's favorite song, and I had my reservations.
This song we recorded everything Himeji. Then suddenly I remember when music was ending, he said, let's change this song, it's not working. I said, well, it's such a beautiful song. He said, no, there must be more, something, I'll give it much more gusto. But I said, what about Shikayat? He said, who Shikayat to Zindagi mein ladies keep doing? Why? I said, no, but that is the situation. So till date he feels that the song is weak, but I told him visually, you see, there are some songs which help the film work.
And then the way he shot it and the way he wanted all these things, then I started liking this song a lot.
जब तुम चाहो शिकवे गिरे हो, जब तुम चाहो दिल ये मिले हो, चलती हमेशा मर्जी तुम्हारी, जाओ बड़ी आए प्यार करते हो।
You can make Himesh keep on doing it over and over again, keep on making him change tunes, keep on asking him to better it, you know, and Himesh would love that. Other people, they calculate their time in money. Suraj does not do that, and neither does Himesh.
First recording we went, so Palak sang it straight. Shikayat was nice and bright. I said, no, it's all Shikayat of deep. So she sang it again.
दिल की बातें बोलते नहीं।
इस तरह के मूड का गाना मैंने पहले नहीं गाया है। बहुत सारी शरारत चाहिए थी, बहुत सारी मस्ती, चिढ़ाना, all that was required in this song. So बहुत मजा आया गाते वक्त।
सच है तेरी ये सब शिकायतें, तोड़ दूंगा ये रिवायतें।
I shot in Gujarat for 3 days, and we were shooting in this place called Rajkot, which had the highest density of swine flu cases. And obviously, I got swine flu. I was airlifted and got into hospital. I was in ICU for like a week. I've come back straight and done this Kathputli on a harness where I've injured myself. Hopefully, the song is a super duper hit.
नॉर्मली कठपुतली इतनी छोटी होती है क्योंकि थोड़ा सा फिल्मी लिबर्टी लेते हुए हम लोगों ने कठपुतली का साइज़ बड़ा किया, तो वी थॉट के छोटी से ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा कि 3 फीट की कठपुतली बनाई जाए। So I want to introduce you to my Salman sir, Ting Ting, and my beautiful Sonam.
सीखनी है प्यार की बारीकियां सभी।
You know what Sanjay Dutt looked like in PK? That outfit. Whatever the same mustache, and I pretty much matched Sanju.
तक नहीं है, बेजान सी एक गुड़िया है, अब वो गुड़िया को हमें प्ले करना है, तो ये सारा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ हो जाता है और उसमें एक एक्सप्रेशन भी होता है जो एक एक्सप्रेशन होगा, कठपुतली के एक्सप्रेशन नहीं बदलेंगे, तो मोस्टली वो एक्सप्रेशन एक एक्सप्रेशन रख के एक तरीके से पूरा डांस, इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट।
भोले बन के करते हो गुस्ताखियाँ।
It was very staccato, very robotic, but it was fun.
बातों में बहलाओ ना यूं,
बात को बढ़ाओ ना यूं,
मानूंगी ना मैं मनाओ ना यूं। जब तुम चाहो शाम सजी हो, जब तुम चाहो रात ढली हो,
अब तुम चाहो जो भी सजा दो, बस थोड़ा सा हंस के दिखा दो।
We really enjoyed shooting the song. We shot it in Udaipur, we shot in Bombay, we shot a lot of locations. In proper summer season there are rains. There's no reason when it's raining. In Jagmandir there are ole, actually ole falling when weather report says 40 degrees. So this is all part and parcel of filmmaking. But that's the fun.
एक इस तरह की सिचुएशन क्रिएट की सूरज जी ने जिसका कनेक्शन फीमेल लिसनर्स में बहुत आसानी से और बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा।
Sonam did very well. She says somewhere I identify. All women identify only.
बातों